Today, we're exploring the best eyewash stations recommended by our safety experts. But before we dive into the list, let's identify the key features of the best eyewash stations. Meeting safety standards is non-negotiable. Stations must provide tepid water for comfort and safety, as recommended by ANSI. They also need to adhere to various OSHA standards and other local standards that may apply. Next up, ergonomic design. Features like easy-to-operate valves and hands-free operation are critical during an emergency. It's about making sure the station is user-friendly when it matters most. Lastly, durability and reliability. In harsh industrial environments, resistance to corrosion and wear is key for long-term functionality. Now, let's explore the best eyewash stations recommended by our safety experts. First up is the Speakman Portable Eyewash Station. Ideal for industrial environments without permanent plumbing. This portable unit can be mounted in various settings. It has a capacity of 9 gallons that ensures a full 15 minutes of eye flushing with tepid water. Complying with OSHA and ANSI standards, it is a trustworthy choice for emergency situations. Next, we have the Bradley Faucet-Mount Eyewash. This practical solution integrates with existing sink structures, making it space-efficient while still being compliant with ANSI standards. It is especially suited for workplaces with Bradley plumbing fixtures. Meet the Guardian 2-head emergency eyewash station. Its robust construction features a heavy-duty aluminum wall bracket with powder coating finish. The included identification sign makes it a reliable choice for industrial safety and compliance. The Honeywell Fendall Eyewash Station has a 7-gallon capacity allowing for uninterrupted eyewash. The quick-change cartridges offer a safe, contamination-free solution, and its portability means you can place it strategically near potential hazards. This list also has the Haws gravity-operated portable eyewash, which is ideal for remote areas. With a 9-gallon tank, it ensures continuous flushing for 15 minutes, complying with OSHA standards. Its gravity-fed design makes it a practical choice where plumbing isn't available. The Global Industrial Wall-Mounted Emergency Eyewash is an efficient solution for places with chemical hazards. It features a push-handle activator that allows hands-free operation once activated for ease of use. Its durable construction make it a reliable safety feature in any industrial environment. Last but not least, the SmarterFresh Faucet-Mounted Eyewash Station. It is quick to install and adds emergency eyewash capability to existing faucets, perfect for small labs or facilities. This faucet-mounted eyewash is made of stainless steel, boasting high-quality construction for reliable performance. There you have it, the top 7 emergency eyewash stations in the industry. Each option offers unique features and components to suit your different needs. Share your top pick in the comments section below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more insightful reviews.